I'm very glad to be here at the AMB 2014. There are 25 companies from Taiwan. I hope that for the next event we will be receiving more and more exhibitors from Taiwan to develop the German market.
AMB exhibition is a very high standard and including all in European, especially in German technology.
I'm Alex Lee. I'm representing Liz High Tech from Taiwan, and I'm really happy to be here in AMB show. We're participating in AMB show.
It's a very, very important fair for Taiwanese company, and I wish the Taiwanese company will have a very successful exhibition here.
This is the second time we come to AMB. 2 years ago, we have very good contact from the AMB exhibitions. So this time, we decided to come again.
We are presenting machine parts on the booth, which are coming from ball screws up to robots. We are joyed to be here, and we expect good business because it's very crowded here. Many customers are visiting our booth, and we are very optimistic for this year.
So far that we receive positive feedback from the market at this exhibition.